Hello everyone. Some time ago, I presented an original knitting design featuring beautiful lotus-shaped motifs that create a lovely volume, vertical relief, and rich texture. This pattern gained popularity among influencers with YouTube channels focused on knitting. I am always delighted to see my original patterns shared by fellow knitters. In this video, I will introduce another knitting design showcasing the stunning lotus-like figure. This time, it stands out against a background of stockinette stitch and is staggered for added visual interest. The knitting pattern consists of 2 levels, each featuring 6 rows. The scheme includes 6 stitches and 6 rows, which are repeated with an offset. We begin with a number of stitches that is a multiple of 6, plus 5 for symmetry, along with 6 edge stitches. The side borders consist of 3 stitches each, which are not included in the pattern. These side borders serve as a visual outline for the stockinette stitch. Row 1 right side. Knit 1 stitch out of the scheme. Then, pull up 5 loops from 3 stitches. Start by swapping the first and second loops to create a well-centered figure. Then, insert the right needle into the 3 stitches and pull up 5 loops. Knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, and knit 1. Finally, knit 3. Again, pull up 5 loops from 3 and knit 3. To finish the row out of the scheme, pull up 5 loops from 3 stitches and knit 1. Row 2 wrong side. Out of the scheme, purl 1. Then, slip 1 stitch with the yarn in front. Knit 3 stitches. Slip 1 stitch with the yarn in front again. And purl 3. Repeat this sequence. Slip 1, knit 3, slip 1, and purl 3. Finally, out of the scheme, slip 1, knit 3, slip 1, and purl 1. Row 3 right side. The repeated scheme begins from the first loop. Knit 2 loops together with a right leaning slant. The next 3 stitches have purl caps on the bottom row. Use the right needle to lift the middle purl loop from the bottom row, then knit 3 stitches and pass them through the lifted loop. Finally, knit 2 stitches together with a left leaning slant and knit 1. Again, knit 2 stitches together with a right leaning slant, lift the middle purl loop, knit 3 stitches, and pass them through the lifted loop. Knit 2 stitches together with a left-leaning slant and knit 1. At the end of the row, out of the scheme, knit 2 stitches together with a right-leaning slant. Lift 1, knit 3, and pass them through the lifted loop. Then, knit 2 stitches together with a left-leaning slant. In the next 3 rows, we perform stockinette stitch. Row 4 wrong side, purl to the end of the row. Row 5 right side, knit to the end of the row. And row 6 wrong side, purl to the end of the row. On the second level, repeat the first 6 rows with an offset. Row 7 right side. Out of the scheme, knit 1. To begin the pattern, knit 3. Then, pull up 5 loops from 3 stitches. Again, knit 3. And pull up 5 loops from 3. To finish the row, out of the scheme, knit 4. Row 8 wrong side. Out of the scheme, purl 1. To begin the pattern, purl 3. Then, slip 1 stitch with the yarn in front, knit 3, and slip 1. Repeat this sequence, purl 3, slip 1 stitch, knit 3, and slip 1 stitch. Finally, out of the scheme, purl 4. Row 9 right side. Out of the scheme, knit 2. To begin the repeat pattern, knit 1. Then, knit 2 together with a right-leaning slant. Lift the middle purl loop from the bottom row, knit 3. Pass them through the lifted loop, and knit 2 together with a left-leaning slant. Again, knit 1, knit 2 together with a right-leaning slant, lift the middle purl loop, knit 3, and pass them through the lifted loop. Knit 2 together with a left-leaning slant. At the end of the row, out of the scheme, knit 3. In the next 3 rows, we perform stockinette stitch. Row 10 wrong side, purl to the end of the row. Row 11 right side. knit to the end of the row. And row 12 wrong side, purl to the end of the row. Repeat these 12 rows until you reach your desired length. This will create a unique, volumetric fabric with a special texture suitable for any season and any type of yarn. The pattern is excellent for making scarves, capes, and cardigans. I hope you find this information helpful for your future projects, and I highly recommend giving it a try. If you found this video useful, I would greatly appreciate it if you could click the thumbs up button to show your support. Your feedback helps me create more content that you love. Additionally, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. By enabling notifications, you'll be the first to know when I upload new videos. Click my Knit Not Space Shop icon to see my knit creations. Whether you're looking for something special for yourself or the perfect gift for a loved one, I have a variety of items that I'm sure you'll love. Thank you so much for being a part of the audience who watched my channel. I truly appreciate your support, and I can't wait to see you again soon.